Hello, everyone. In 2024, we've got something exciting for metal detecting enthusiasts, campers, and families looking for outdoor fun. Some people take metal detecting seriously and even make a job out of it. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, finding the right metal detector matters. Do you want a simple one with fancy features? We've got you covered. We'll explore the best metal detectors of 2024, including ones with different sounds for metals, easy controls, and waterproof parts. Stick around to discover the top choices. Number 5. LOLARAN Metal Detector. The LOLARAN Metal Detector is a device for finding metal items. It's suitable for adults and kids and comes with a rechargeable battery that lasts more than 20 hours. It can also charge other devices and is easy to carry. It has different modes for various metal detection needs and a waterproof feature for different environments. It comes with a backpack, shovel, headphones, and more. It's great for treasure hunting, outdoor adventures, and finding lost items. A perfect gift for birthdays and Christmas. Number 4. RICOMAX Detector. RICOMAX Detector is a professional metal detector suitable for adults and children. It is lightweight and ergonomic, making it easy to use all day. The intuitive LCD display shows the detection mode, sensitivity level, battery condition, and volume level for convenient use. With 4 strong detection modes, you can detect metals including iron, aluminum, gold, bronze, silver, and their articles. The IP68 waterproof rating and big 10 inches search coil make it possible to explore hidden treasures underwater up to 10 inches depth. The advanced chip technology enhances the automatic balance of the coil for accurate detection. Full accessories, including a carrying bag, shovel, headset jack, and 2 batteries, are included. Number 3. SUNPOW Metal Detector. The SUNPOW Metal Detector is a professional gold detector made for adults. It has a strong anti-interference chip that blocks out other disturbances when you're hunting for treasure, ensuring accurate identification even in tough conditions. It's easy to use with a lit-up screen and clear data, so it's great for beginners. It has a 10-inch waterproof coil and can detect up to 11 inches deep, allowing you to search a wide area, including beaches, shallow water, and rainy days. It's designed with adjustable parts for comfort and is suitable for both adults and kids. It has 5 modes and can identify 7 types of metals, making it a great tool for treasure hunting. Number 2. Fisher F22. The all-purpose metal detector is perfect for treasure hunting in any condition. It's weatherproof, capable of detecting jewelry, coins, and artifacts on land and in shallow water, even up to 9 inches deep. Whether it's raining or sunny, this detector can find treasures with ease. Designed for adults but user-friendly for children, it features simple functions like discrimination, sensitivity, notch, and pinpoint, making deep underground discoveries a breeze. It's incredibly accurate, distinguishing between valuable targets and unwanted metals, and it provides numeric target ID and a 4-tone audio ID system for precise identification. Plus, it's lightweight and ergonomic, ensuring a comfortable experience during your treasure hunts. Number 1. PANCKY Metal Detector. The PANCKY Metal Detector is a professional-grade treasure hunting tool that stands out for its exceptional accuracy and sensitivity. It boasts a 10-inch waterproof search coil, ensuring it can be used in a variety of environments, including wet and submerged areas. The upgraded DSP chip in this device enhances its ability to distinguish different types of metals, reducing false alarms and providing precise target identification. The intuitive LCD display provides real-time information about detected metals, making it easy for users to track their findings. Its ergonomic design, complete with an adjustable stem, ensures a comfortable and customizable user experience. Moreover, The PANCKY metal detector comes with a comprehensive set of accessories, making it an ideal gift for both beginner and experienced treasure hunters. This all-in-one package equips enthusiasts with the tools they need to embark on exciting metal detecting adventures.